Crispy chicken sisig for only 600 calories na merong 52 grams of protein per serving. Let's go! So to cook this low-calorie, high-protein chicken sisig sa isang pan na medium heat, spray some oil, tapos lagay mo na yung skinless chicken thighs, and then salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some MSG. And then habang niluluto ang iyong chicken, dice up half a red onion and then some green onion. Then, once luto na yung chicken, slice it up into nice bite-sized pieces. Siyempre, mas masarap kung nasa hot plate ito, pero since wala tayo, sa isang pan na lang, lagay mo na yung onion, a serving of the chicken, calamansi, soy sauce, black pepper, and green onion. Then, lagay ka ng more raw red onion on top, slice ka na rin ng calamansi, and ang sikreto, para malutong pa rin, lagay ka ng onting chicharon, and remember, huwag masyadong maliliit. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-cheat meal kung ganito kasarap and at the same time, pasok sa macro goals ang mga kinakain mo. So for more Filipino recipes like this, like and follow! Let's go!